In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com, full dashboard tutorial, 5 minutes. First, sign in to your Monday.com account so you're in your workspace. On the left side panel, look for the plus icon. This is where you create new items. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Dashboard. This opens a fresh, empty space where all your key metrics and updates can live in one place. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately understand its purpose. Next, decide whether it should be main or private. Main dashboards are visible to anyone who has access to the workspace and are great for team visibility. Private dashboards are only visible to you and the specific people you invite, which is ideal for drafts or sensitive initiatives. Once you've made your choice, click Create Dashboard. You'll be prompted to connect data sources. Click Connect Boards. Select the boards that contain the information you want to visualize, things like projects, tasks, campaigns, or pipelines. You can connect more than one board, which is perfect for seeing an overview across teams or projects. Just make sure the boards have the columns your widgets will need and that you have permission to access them. When you've chosen the boards you want, click Done. Now it's time to bring your dashboard to life. Click Add Widget. From the gallery, pick from popular options like chart for trends, numbers for totals, table for quick lists, calendar or timeline for time-based views, workload to see capacity, or battery for simple status summaries. Start with one or two that answer your most important questions, then expand as needed. Once widgets are on the page, arrange them so the most important information sits at the top. Drag and drop to reorder, and resize to create a clean visual hierarchy. For each widget, open its settings to tailor what it shows. Choose which connected boards and groups to include, select the specific columns to visualize, and apply filters for date ranges, owners, or statuses. Rename each widget to something clear and action-oriented so viewers know exactly what they're seeing at a glance. A few quick tips as you polish: keep the layout simple so it's easy to scan, use filters to exclude completed or archived items if you only want active work, and stick to consistent naming so your dashboard feels cohesive. Monday.com saves changes as you go so you can iterate without worry. That's it. Log in, create your dashboard, connect your boards, add widgets, arrange them, and customize the views. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, insightful dashboard ready to share with your team in minutes.